Case for 10th generation iPad with Apple Pencil 2 could be a huge upgrade for artists. A few days ago, Bloomberg journalist Mark Gurman reported that the launch of new iPad models is imminent and that Apple could announce them anytime now. And to back up all the latest rumors, Gurman has now noted that most of the current iPad Pro models are now sold out and out of stock at many Apple stores across the US. And in fact, by looking at Apple's US website, the delivery estimate for most iPad Pro models has slipped to 1 to 2 weeks. Some specific configurations have had the delivery estimate pushed back to November. This aligns with reports that there's a new generation iPad Pro coming in the next few days. Last week, the journalist had already reported that iPad OS 16.1, which will be the first release of iPad OS 16, will be made available to the public the week of October 24. Apple is reportedly waiting for the official launch of the new iPads to release the software update to all iPad users. In the past, Apple had launched new products in the last week of October. According to rumors, the new iPad Pro will be available in the same 11-inch and 12.9-inch screen sizes as the current generation. The main difference from the current model will be M2 chip, which is about 20% faster than the M1. Other major hardware changes seem unlikely at this point. But the new iPad Pro models are not the only ones coming soon. We've also been hearing rumors about a new, redesigned 10th generation iPad. Some accessory makers like ESR were already selling cases for the new iPad ahead of its announcement. And now customers are spotting even more accessories made for the new iPad 10 available in stores like Target. Earlier this year, 9to5Mac revealed exclusive details about the 10th generation iPad. The entry-level iPad will get a new design, the A14 Bionic chip, 5G, and a USB-C port to replace the Lightning connector. The A14 Bionic chip will give the new iPad 10 about 30% faster performance, not to mention increased RAM for better multitasking. And thanks to the new design, the new 10th generation iPad is also expected to work with the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, while the previous model still relies on the original Apple Pencil. It's worth noting that Apple is unlikely to hold a special event for the announcement of the new iPads. The current iPad only supports the original Apple Pencil, the one that doesn't have wireless charging and has to be plugged into a Lightning port like an unfortunate protrusion. The 2nd generation Apple Pencil magnetically attaches to the side of an iPad and charges that way, something this new spec case appears to show. While the two Apple Pencils look similar, the newer model includes improvements both technical and not so technical. Starting with the latter, the 2nd gen Apple Pencil has a flat edge, which means that it doesn't roll off the table, a huge bonus if you're tired of scrambling on the floor to find it. But the bigger improvement is gesture support, allowing users to double tap to change tools and apps. That could be a game changer for people who paint and draw using their iPad and frequently switch between tools. So what do you guys think about these upgrades? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.